In this session, we will read the blessing Modeh Ani, or I thank you. Some sages believe that every night when we go to sleep, our soul returns to heaven. So we should thank God for allowing us to wake up refreshed in body and soul, as if we were reborn each morning. The presentation shows the Hebrew text of the blessing first, followed by the transliteration of the Hebrew words, a translation in English, and a translation in Spanish. We will read each word one syllable at a time. Let's begin. Modeh Ani lefanecha melech hai וקיים שהחזרת. This is a difficult word, so let's read it again. שהחזרת בי נשמתי בהמלה רבה emunateja. We have reached the end of the blessing. Thank you for joining me today. Toda raba.